All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Command Z type of function in your Photos app in the markup area of putting text and other different things on a photo, like actually writing on a photo, signatures, putting geometric figures. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to open up the Photos app. We're going to open up a photo, and then we have to go to the edit. Now you have to make sure it's a live photo or it's a long exposure. You can't do it to a video. You cannot do it to a loop or a bounce. So it's got to be live photo. And let me show you. So if you have it on a loop or a bounce, it's not going to work. You're not going to get the markup. If you have it on long exposure or live, you're going to be good. All right. So let's go ahead and tap here. We're going to hit the edit button. It's going to give us our top right corner icon for the markup, which is the circle with a pen in it. We're going to click that. It's going to give us this window in the center where it's telling us, hey, we're going to turn this off and make it one frame out of this live photo. And we're going to OK, hit that. And then it's going to give us our window at the bottom where we can do all our edits. So I want to show you this like Command Z feature. And what we're going to do is first we're going to open this right here. And I'm just going to put a text edit box in there. And I'm going to just kind of make it big. I'm going to change the font on it. Then I'm going to change the color. Then I'm going to move it around a little bit. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to change it again. And I'm going to bring it down. And I'm going to bring it over here. And so I've done a bunch of different things, right? So let's say, you know, I went through it and I looked at the different colors. And I'm like, man, I don't really like that text. I like that other text. Well, what I could do is come up here to this function here. And I can just hit this return arrow in a circle. And basically what that is saying is that all it's going to do, it's going to take us to it's going to erase the last thing we did and take us to our last move. So if I hit that, it brings it back to here. Watch, I hit it again. It moves it because I had moved the text there. I hit it again. It goes back to this text. I hit it again, and look, it goes back to that other font that we had. I hit it again. I hit it again. I hit it again. I hit it again. I hit it again, and bam. It just basically went all the way back to the beginning. And so that's kind of like a Command Z function on your keyboard, but you can do it in markup at the top. Now you could have just came up here and hit cancel, and then sometimes it gives you revert to original down here, but we've already done that. You know what I mean? We've already done that. So that's basically how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how you can do stuff with your Photos app on iPhone. Peace out.